Okay, hello to all. My name is Dante. I am from CryptoMate. I'm the North America business developer. Um, Nowadays, we think that any company needs technology to be competitive. In the last years, we have seen an increase and emergence in what's called embedded finances. This is a finance layer that any company can apply to their actual product and services. In the last years, we have also seen a crypto boom, but mostly in the business to consumer side, not in the business to business side, and we are here to tackle that down. Our mission, so we think any company can be a crypto company, and we're here to bridge the gap between business 2 and business web 3. But for this to happen, we first have to tackle down three barriers. First one is a technology that can be complex and expensive, and most companies don't even know what they have to do. Secondly, is the regulations. If you want to operate in different countries, then it can become very and increasingly complex. And thirdly, with technology and regulations, you have to increase your team. You have to increase your expenditure, and you have to increase your operations. And basically, it counts, the most difficult part counts in the settlement between countries, in the settlement of your product, your services, your assets, and so on and so forth. So, what's our offer? We offer a plug-and-play crypto infrastructure as a service with web-free business intelligence tools. We set up and optimize your business opportunities in the crypto space. But when we say that every company can become a crypto company, of course we have a pipeline. We have measured an amount of 7,000 fintech companies that are the fintech companies, the ones we are starting to focus on in Europe and in Latam. 4,000 of them offer services that are pretty similar to what the crypto ecosystem serves. And the most interesting part is that 3,500 of them, they don't have the most basic crypto service. So we are here to make that change. We know that fintechs are e-commerce enablers and are very important in the financial inclusion in Central America and in Latam. In most of these countries, the e-commerce sector has grown from 40 to 60% per year the last 3 years. So we can say that this is our market reach, this is our customers, and this is our growth expectations. In the case of our competitions, we stack ourselves in the flow and in the international business, as every company that interacts with our API, our infrastructure, and our services, they can start serving around 170 countries right away with just an API call. That's why we are not focusing on coins and asset acquisitions, nor asset custodies. That's why we have easier regulations, and that's why we say flow is our deal. We are international. In the first phase of our customers, they have an integration phase between their website and our API. After that, they have a sandbox subscription with testnet capabilities. Before this first stage that lasts for around 4 to 12 weeks, they end up the sandbox subscription, they don't have to pay anything, and they only pay per the API request in a fee structure based in volume, of course. So if they didn't end up using our service is totally free. And by the way, we also offer a gateway solutions in 170 countries. I want to tell you a story, or well, a use case really. It's a football team in Spain called La Palma. They were in a disastrous financial economic crisis because there was a volcano eruption that basically destroyed all their facilities. But they have something very important, that was the community. After the volcano eruption, there was the starting of the COVID phase. And with the COVID, we all know how that went. They end up in bankruptcy. But as they have a huge community, we note the power of this football team, and we invest in themselves, they invest in us, and we merge together to convert them in the first web-free football club. They start taking new revenue systems like play to earn, like NFT sales, and they like Web3 so much that they changed their entire infrastructure to become a DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization, and they are the first crypto football team in the world. By all this means, they become totally profitable, and now they're a successful company. What about our traction? Well, we have 20 clients in the pipeline. Actually, we have 8 paying clients. Each one pays around $800 per month. And our cost of acquisition is pretty cheap. It's from $40 to $120 per customer. After that, they have 4 to weeks in the first phase of integration and discovery of the business opportunities that they can do in the crypto world. This is a little time where we have to pay more attention, more resources, until they get the enough knowledge to use our platform and our services by themselves. So what about our founding team? It's pretty great. I love these guys. First, we have Guido De Luca. It has 15 years of experience. It has worked as an advisor, as a developer, as a crypto developer, and he has in his portfolio he was a senior developer in the crypto area for PayPal. After that, we got Paula. Paula has 10 years of experience in the digital markets. He's a speaker and also serves as an educational teacher in the digital markets and blockchain areas. And after that, we have Alan. Alan is our CEO. He's the co-founder of Lemon Cash, one of the fast and biggest crypto banks in whole Latam. He has raised one of the largest crypto wallets in Latin America, and he's very involved in cryptocurrency, blockchain, and fintechs since 2015. We invite you to join us and help us create and make every company a crypto company. Thank you so much.